What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lincoln MKX remote key fob. This Lincoln MKX key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. And right here we see this kind of long slot that I'm touching with the end of the emergency key. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot like that. Push it in as far as it'll go, and then I'm going to angle up and push up on that back cover. Once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will work. It just needs to fit down in this notch right here. Get my screwdriver down in that notch, get under the edge of the battery, and pop that battery out. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this outer edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then I'll grab my back cover, and you'll notice on one side of this back cover there's these two small tabs. Those two small tabs are going to go on the top, and we'll slide those in first. So kind of line your two tabs up, slide them up, then snap that back cover down, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.